Hi everyone, it's me Vivian and welcome to Remington Just For You video series. In this video, I will teach you different styles and techniques just for you using our very own Remington personal care products. So stay tuned and follow this series. Hi guys, I'm Vivian Visconde, hair and makeup artist. I've been doing hair and makeup professionally for the past 5 years and I'm here today to share with you different but easy to do hairstyles using this wonderful Remington brand of hairstyling tools in whatever looks you wish for, elegant formal, stylish rugged, or gorgeous casual. Fun fact, call it destiny for I have been using my trusty Remington hair care products for more than 5 years already. In partnership with Docums Philippines Incorporated, we will have lots of fun doing some magic of bringing out the beauty of everyone. Yes, it can be done the Remington way. So, let's get started. Hi guys! So for today, we will be using our Remington Keratin Protect Hair Straightener. So ang model natin for today is si Ivy. So Ivy, ang gagawin natin sa hair mo today is braided headband using our Keratin Protect Hair Straightener. Ready ka na ba? Okay, let's start. Guys, before we start, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang features and settings ng ating Keratin Protect. So first, meron siyang on and off button, minus and plus signs for temperature. So 160 degrees to 230. And then, button para sa ating Keratin Protect. Ayan. Once na ma-on nyo siya, ayan, lalabas yung kanyang sign dito. And then, meron din siyang hinge lock. Ayan. Kasama ng ating heat-resistant pouch. And then, meron din tayong swivel cord. So, kahit magpaikot-ikot ka, sumusunod lang siya, guys. Hindi siya mahirap gamitin. So, yun. Let's start. So guys, before tayo gumawa ng braided headband, curl muna natin yung hair niya. Ang gagawin natin curls is soft curls. Part muna natin yung hair niya into 3. Guys, sa sectioning ng hair, basta tansyahin nyo na lang kung kakayanin pa ng hair iron yung amount ng hair na nilalagay nyo. By the way guys, our Remington Keratin Iron has patented intelligent heat protection sensor that continuously measures your hair's moisture levels and the straightener adapts to the optimum temperature for your hair, giving 3 times more protection from damage. So guys, additional lang pala ang ating Keratin Protect is meron siyang safety shut off for 60 minutes. Pag hindi niyo siya ginagalaw or hindi niyo siya nagamit, halimbawa nakalimutan niyo siya, kusa siyang mag-o-off. Guys, sa pag-curl naman, kung gano'n natin siya katagal binababad sa ating hair iron, ganun din yung curls niya. So, much better if soft curls lang tayo, mabilis lang yung paghagod natin ng plancha. Ayun guys, gagawin lang natin siya paulit-ulit hanggang matapos yung ating buong hair, then doon tayo mag-hairstyle. So guys, as you can see, malapit na tayong matapos. Final touches na lang. Then, proceed na tayo sa hairstyling, which is yung braided headband. So guys, para magka-volume yung hair ni Ivy, padaanan lang natin siya ng hair iron. Like this lang. Ayan. Upwards lang, guys. Ayan. Then, medyo paloob ng konti. Ayan. Then, pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa ating braided headband. So guys, kuha lang tayo ng front hair niya, then separate natin. Tapos, ang kukunin natin, ang i-braid natin is yung hair niya sa taas ng ears. Ayan. Ganun din guys sa kabila. Kung saan tayo nag-section, sundan lang natin yung hati niya. Ayan. Separate lang natin ulit. Guys, start na tayo ng braiding. Sa pag-braid naman natin, ayan, section natin into 3. Dapat equally yung pag-section natin sa kanya. Then, hindi natin siya masyadong hihigpitan. Loose lang siya. Kasi later, hatak-hatakin natin siya para mas mag-volumize yung pagka-braid natin sa kanya. Ayan. Then, secure lang natin ng Leo. Tapos, lagi tayong magtitira ng medyo mahabang dulo para meron tayong hahatakin dito. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Hatakin natin siya para mag-volumize siya. Ayan. Para kumapal yung strands ng braid natin. So, kailangan lang natin, guys, ng bobby pins. Ready na natin siya. Tapos, ang gagawin lang natin sa grenade natin is, susundan lang natin kung saan yung selection natin. Then, doon natin ilalagay yung braids. Ayan, para magmukha siyang headband. And then, sisecure lang natin siya ng dalawang pin sa likod ng ears. Tatakpan lang natin siya ng hair, ayan, para magmukha siyang headband talaga. Ayan. Tapos, clear lang natin yung mga baby hair ng hairspray. Tapos, kuha lang tayo dito, guys, ng maliit lang na section. Piece lang tayo para magkaroon ng volume yung likod ng kanyang braided headband. So, na-proceed na tayo sa makeup ni Ivy. So, guys, this is the final look for our braided headband. Hope you like it. Thank you!
Kung mang-aakit ka na naman, pwede bang sa akin lang? Kung mang-aakit ka na naman, pwede bang sa akin